Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a lobster clasp bracelet. Thread beads onto beading wire starting with a crimp bead, slide on beads to desired length, and finish with a crimp and trim excess. Attach a lobster clasp using a jump ring, ensuring the clasp faces outward. Add a dab of clear jewelry glue for extra security. Test the clasp several times to ensure smooth opening and closing. Gather your tools and materials so you won't pause mid-build. It makes the process smoother and more enjoyable. Use appropriate wire for bead size and always test the clasp position before crimping. Lay out beads in the exact order you want, then slide a crimp bead and the first bead to hold placement. Work in good light and take small breaks to check symmetry and tension for a professional result. Begin assembly calmly. Secure one end with a crimp, add the clasp, and run beads to length. Leave a small tail, loop it through the final crimp and back through several beads for strength. Compress the crimp neatly and trim excess wire close to the beads to avoid snagging clothing. Finish by checking clasp alignment and moving it so it faces outward when worn. Small adjustments make a big difference in final durability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.